What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday, that means a new video. Today let's talk about this project that I made 2 weeks ago called All Together and All Drones, and it's time to see the results. And before starting, I just want to talk to you about 3 small points about this project. First point, I just want to thank everyone who sent me some videos because I received a tons of videos and I'm really happy with that, so thank you guys. Point number 2 is that if you're not in the video, it's just because your footage was not in good quality. By this I mean really bad quality. I received like 2 or 3 shots where the quality was so bad, and I can't fix that in post. I'm not like a magician, so I can't fix that in post. You can fix a lot of things in post, but the quality, no. You can't. Next time guys, send me good quality footage and you will be in the video. Also about that, I just want to talk about some guys who send me hyperlapses from the Mavic 2 Pro. Please guys, do it like this. I have a tutorial about how I make my hyperlapses with the Mavic 2 Pro, and please do it like that because the one from the drone is not in good quality. So please, next time, like that. And the last point before starting the video, it's just about the rules. I don't want to hurt you guys, but next time if I do this project again, please respect the rules, because some of you who have a Mavic 2 Pro send me some already edited footage but with too much sharpness or too much saturation, and this just give me more work and it can decrease the quality of your footage too. I say that just for you, because if you want to participate in some project like that with other YouTubers, they can just put your file in the trash because you didn't respect the rules. It's not my case because I'm a cool guy and I just wanted to put all the shots that I can, except if the quality was terrible, but except that I put all the shots that I can in this video. So it's just a kind reminder for next time guys, respect the rules and send me some flat color profile footage, please. I didn't put any of my footage in this video because I made it just for you, but next Wednesday my video will be a drone trip and the location was insane, so I can't wait to share this with you guys. Thank you again to all of you who participate to this project, and now let's watch it.